Okay, dear colleagues, wanted to share with you the screen share option in the Blackboard Collaborate. Some might find it difficult, but it's really easy. We go to the, so I'm now in one of the sessions that you can see I'm alone there, but then you imagine that I want to share one screen there. If it is a file, if it is I have to make sure it's fully open on my desktop, and then I go to Blackboard, I press this button here, I choose share application screen, and for this particular document I choose application window, and you can see the document that I want to share appears here. I choose it, select it, and start sharing. And this is what my students now, or what my colleagues can see on my screen, and then we can discuss it here. So it can be then I stop sharing, and then it should be myself again if I play it with video appearing here. So I might want to play some recordings with the students, or to watch some videos with my colleagues. I go to this button, I choose Chrome tab, and this is the video that I want to watch together with my colleagues. I can play it, and this is how it appears on the screen here in the sessions that I'm having with my colleagues. Again, if I want to quit it, I go to this button and I close it. Thank you for your attention.